Welcome to the demonstration of social network privacy using two tales of privacy. Privacy is very important in online social network as a lot of critical information is being exchanged over the network. So there is a need for a level of security in such application. What this system does is it adds a level of security by using encryption technique to ensure that the data is not readable over the network, and this application also includes privacy setting to specify what should be accessed by who. So this application is developed using ASP.NET as frontend and SQL Server as backend. So now let's have a look into the system. If you are not a registered user, just click on sign in. So here you need to enter the following details, like the user ID will be generated automatically by the system, and you need to enter the following details. And when you enter the password will be encrypted and stored in the database. So if any intruder gets access to the database, the password will not be known as it will be encrypted and stored in the database. So now let's log in. You need to enter the ID and password. So as soon as the user logs in into the system, these are the options available, that is privacy setting, add friend, view friend request, view friend list, and these three options comes under view friend list, that is close friends, acquaintances, and restricted list. So first go to the privacy setting option. Here the user can set the privacy setting, that is it has already selected the close friend option, so it is already selected. If the user wants to edit it, it can do so by clicking on the edit button over here, and if it wants the profile picture, the status, the contact number, and the post to be viewed by the restricted list also, it just needs to check this checkbox. And for example, it doesn't want the restricted list to view it. If the user wants to make custom, then just click on custom and this will be viewed. If you want the profile picture, contact number, and if you want your all the friends in the friend list to view and comment that are in the close friends group, so you can just click and select that one. Okay. View and comment. And you don't want any of this to be checked for the restricted list group, so just click on save. So here the message is shown, the privacy settings saved. So the next option is add friend. As you click on add friend, so here you can see the list of friends that are not in your friend list. So you can even search by name over here. You just need to enter the name of the person you want to search and just click on search. So if you want to add this friend, just click on add friend, and a pop-up will be shown, that is you want to add George to which group. So suppose if I want to add to close friend, just click on add. So George will be added to your close friend list. And now let's log in as George into the system. So here you need to enter the ID and password and just click on login. So if you go to the view friend request, so here you can view the friend request and just click on accept, and here you can add to the group like whichever you want to. We saw that the person John has accepted George as a close friend. Now let's add John in the restricted list and click on add. Then log out, and now just log in as a user John into the system. So now let's go to the add friend option. You can see the list is being cleared since George has accepted the friend request. Now let's go to the close friends option. Here you can see the since the person who has logged in has added George in the close friend list, it can view George in that list. And if you want to view the profile of George, just click on view profile, and here you can see only the status can be viewed because George has accepted the person who has logged in the restricted list. So John cannot view the profile picture and contact number of George. Same goes for Sam. And let's view the acquaintances list. Here Ria has added the person who has logged in the close friend list. So the person who has logged in can view all the three, that is profile picture, status and the contact number of Ria. So now let's go to the restricted list option. So since Ria has added the person who has logged in close friend list, it can view all the three, that is profile picture, the status and the contact number. So the next option is edit profile. Here if you want to edit the profile, you can do so. For example, if you want to change the contact number, and if you want to change the profile picture, you can do so. And just click on update. So the message is shown that is profile updated. Next is view status. You can view the status of all the friends in your friend list. That is the name of the person and the status, date and time. Next one is change password. Here you can change your password and you just need to enter the old password. Just click on check. So the matching will be done. If your old password matches, so this option will be shown over here. And just enter the new password and click on change. So once you click on change, the password will be updated in the database. So here if the person who has logged in can post whatever it wants to, for example, and you choose the picture which you want to put. And click on post. So you can see your post. You can view your post, and if you want to view further, then, and if you want to even comment on the post, you just need to click on view post. Since Sam has added the person who has logged in the restricted list, it cannot comment. So now view post of Ria. Click on view post. So here the person who has logged in can even comment on the topic. From here you can even update your status. Just click on edit status and update it. Just click on update, so the status will be updated in the database. Thus, with the help of encryption technique, that is AES, Advanced Encryption Standard, and privacy setting, this social networking site is secured from various attacks. So this is all about how the system works. Thank you.